Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Trust Wallet for connecting to Uniswap on mobile step by step clearly. Open your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure you have some cryptocurrency in your wallet to trade on Uniswap. Navigate to the main wallet screen. Look for the dApps or browser tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. In the dApps section, scroll down to find the exchange options. Select the Uniswap option from the list. If you can't find it, you can enter the Uniswap URL directly into the search bar. The official Uniswap website is uniswap.org. Once the Uniswap interface loads, tap Connect Wallet. Choose the Trust Wallet option from the list of wallet connections. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the connection. Review the permissions requested by Uniswap. If everything looks good, tap Connect to finalize the process. You should now see your wallet's address displayed on the Uniswap interface. To start trading, you can select the tokens you want to swap. Enter the amount of tokens you wish to trade. Review the estimated transaction details before confirming. Once satisfied, tap the Swap button to proceed. Follow any additional prompts to confirm the transaction in your Trust Wallet. Wait for the transaction to process. You will receive a notification once your swap is complete. That's how you can enable Trust Wallet for connecting to Uniswap on mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.